So how much money does my small 3,000 subscriber YouTube channel make? Well, in this video, I'm going to be revealing that exact amount, and also I'm going to be educating you on what factors actually go behind that. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and minimize my camera, and we're going to jump right into today's content. All right, so as you can see, I have an article pulled up here, and basically what this article is going to do is it's going to break down just a few of the factors that actually go into you actually earning income in regards to, having ads, YouTube ads, running on your video. All right, so we're going to go over a couple of them. Let me just kind of scroll down just so you can get a little bit more knowledge. So basically, as you can see here, this is based on how much can I earn with 1,000 visitors and also per day with AdSense. All right, so as we go down and we actually get into the factors, right, and what actually has to happen in order for you to earn income. So basically, before we actually get into that, what basically happens is when you watch a video on YouTube, you notice that there's an ad that comes up, and then it gives you the option to either skip, or you can continuously watch the ad and even click through the ad if it's interesting enough, right? So when ads show up on videos, creators earn money from when those ads show up, right? YouTube is going to put those ads on there, and then we have we can actually put ads in the beginning of the video. We can also put ads in the middle of the video, depending on how long it is. And then we can also put ads at the end of the video, if that's what you want to do. Something that I actually notice is that, the more ads that you put in your video, the more money you can actually make, right? So kind of getting into what I'll do is I'll show you the factors first, and then what we'll do is I'll give you some tips that you could use to actually start earning more income. And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to actually show you how much I make. All right. All right. So now let's go down here to the factors. So you can see all of these different things. So it's based on geography, also cookie data, the device that they're watching on, the niche and the topic. So you can see right here, niche and topic. That's a big one, right? And I'm going to go into more detail on that as we continue to go throughout the video. Also purchase intent. So if it's a keyword that they're ranking for, and that's something that, business owners feel like, they want to invest more money on when it comes to advertising on your video, then you could actually make more from that because it has a buyer intent, right? And people are more likely to buy based on that keyword. All right, now website quality, that won't too much apply for YouTube videos. It may apply like if you're doing this for like Google AdSense, like if you're doing blogging or something like that. The ad size, not so much. Ad viewability, possibly. Past performance. So pretty much these first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those 5 right there matter a lot. Obviously, there's way more factors that go into it, but those are the typical ones. Now, I kind of want to get into talking about, sharing with you some tips if you want to go about and start making more income, in regards to your AdSense. So number one, it's about the topic, right? What topic are you talking about? So let me give you a couple of examples, literally from lowest to highest. All right. So if you have a gaming YouTube channel where the only thing you do is you play games and maybe you entertain people while you're playing the games, those channels make the least amount of money in regards to YouTube AdSense revenue, right? Because you got to think about it. A business owner doesn't want to advertise on a channel that's playing games, right? Because they don't feel like, they don't feel like they're going to reach their perfect avatar from somebody who's watching, who's playing games. They're not going to reach their perfect avatar with that. Now, on the flip side, if it's like a business owner, give me a second here. Let me just do this. All right. So now if it's a business owner, then, they know that, hey, I can reach my perfect avatar if I advertise on a, a business channel or entrepreneurship channel or personal finance channel, right? And those channels actually make more when it comes to YouTube AdSense revenue or the YouTube partner program. Now, gaming channels, they make anywhere between 50 cents and $2 per 1,000 views. So what does that mean? If they're making on average $2 per 1,000 views, that means that if they were to get 1 million views, right? 1 million views on across their channel, 1 million views, they're going to earn $2,000. Hopefully I did the math right? I think that was about right. If you want to do the math, let me know what it actually is down below in the comments. But if they were to get 1,000 views, 1 million views, they would earn $2,000. Now, when we get into like pranks, that's pretty much about the same thing, right? Because it doesn't have significant value. Nobody really wants to truly advertise on videos like that because it's not going to get them what they're looking for, which is more business, right? Now, let's talk about another niche. So you got the technology, right? The tech, tech channels out there. Those tend to make, pretty decent, they have a pretty decent CPM, right? So they make a little bit more. You got beauty channels. They make a okay amount. All right. And then there's other niches out there that, they earn pretty well. But if you really like, when we talk about topic, if you really want to make, pretty decent AdSense income or YouTube partner program income, then you want to create topics based around business. Now, if that's just not you, then don't waste your time doing it. But entrepreneurship, personal finance, forex, I've seen crypto, things that are dealing around money, like in the wealth niche, make money online. Those type of channels always tend to have a higher CPM, right? So my CPM sits between $24 to $26, $27, most of the time, right? I didn't start at that, right? When I first started, I had, very low CPMs, but as I continually, put out content and it was based on business, entrepreneurship, crypto, and all those different things, I noticed my CPM went up quite a bit, all right? So let's actually get into the tips. So the first thing I want to talk about, which I kind of hit on quite a bit just a minute ago, is the topic, okay? That's the first thing, the topic. Number 2 is the duration of your video and the amount of ads that you have in your video. So in order for you to actually, actually run ads on your videos, YouTube just made this change. Your video has to be at least 8 minutes long. It used to be 10 minutes long. So you couldn't have an ad or any ads on there unless your video made it past, to the 10-minute mark and beyond. But now I see a huge opportunity now because now they're allowing you to do it with shorter videos. Now, of course, as far as user experience, in regards to those ads, I wouldn't recommend putting like double ads in an 8-minute video because, that could affect the people watching, right? And people may not necessarily want to watch you anymore, depending on, how they feel. Now, obviously, they have ad blockers. And some people have like, YouTube Premium, so they don't really get shown, really shown ads. So you're not really making much off of them, especially not the ad blocking people, right? Because you do have those people out there as well. But the topic, the duration of the video. So if you make longer videos, obviously you can put more ads in those videos. And then how many ads that you put in those. And then the other thing is family-friendly content. Like if you're doing a lot of cussing and, it's real vulgar, then you're not going to make that much money in regards to, the YouTube partner program, right? Because they want it to be family friendly content that they can share, to, more, so they can really push it out to more and more audiences. But if they feel like it's too vulgar and, you're cussing a lot and all that other stuff, then you're not going to make as much money, right? So you definitely want to think about that, depending on what type of content you want to put out. And I know it may affect some people's personality. Maybe you're just a person who just swears a lot. You know what I mean? So that's that as far as the tips. Now, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you the income because that's the real reason that you're actually here on this video. So now let's go into my analytics. So you can see right here, this is my analytics dashboard. And then if I go and I'll click on this little tab here, you can see in the last 28 days, right, I got about looks like 9,082 views. And then right here, you can see the estimated revenue is $248.45 over the last 28 days, right? So that's $200 right there. Now, if I go and I do, let's just go to like the last 7 days. So if we look at the last 7 days, you can see in the last 7 days, I got 67 subscribers and I earned $70.80, right? With about 2,000 views. Now, if I go, let's go to the 90-day mark. So in the last 90 days, it did about 26,000 views, about 544 subscribers, and I've earned about $658.29. Now, what I like to do is I like to go month by month. So what I'll do real quick is I'll go here to, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go all the way back to June. So we're gonna take it all the way from June to about where we are now at the time that I'm recording this video. So you can see in June, I earned $189.79, which they sent to my bank account. And then in the month of July, you can see I earned $260.05 for the month of July. So that will actually hit my bank account in the month that we are in right now, which is August. And as you can see here, this is August 3rd. Usually the Google AdSense actually pays out on the 20th to 21st of the month, and they will actually send that to the bank account that you have attached. All right. And one thing I want to say is when you're earning this YouTube income, you always want to take into account taxes, right? Make sure you pay those taxes. All right. All right. So that's July. And then if we look at the month of August, just in, what is this? It's the 3rd. Just in, about 3 days, we've earned $21, 9 subscribers, and we got about 600 views for $21. Now, what I want to do real quickly is I want to go back to the last 28 days, right? And the reason I want to do this is I want to show you how you can go about calculating and getting your true CPM. Because the thing that what most people don't know is that you're not getting a monetized view for every view that you got. So you can see over the last 28 days, I got 9,000 views, right? But all 9,000 of those views were not monetized. Maybe roughly around, I would be willing to say about 8,500, right? Or between 8,000 and 8,500, views probably got monetized out of that 9,000. Which to me, that's still good, right? Because we're getting paid to create content. And, honestly, I feel like, that's truly a blessing. I put out valuable content. I share helpful things. And, all I can say is, I'm grateful for this, the income that continues to come in. And, the more I grow and the more content I put out, the better I get. The income is continuously going to be going up. So, I'm very grateful for what I have here. But what I want to do is I want to break down a little formula for you that you could use to calculate the true CPM, which is actual 2,000, which is actually 1,000 views. I just kind of screwed that up. But basically what it is CPM, which is cost per mil. So per 1,000 views. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a calculator, right? Go to the calculator real quick. And I'm going to just show you how you can calculate to find out what somebody's true CPM is. All right, so you can see, let's actually use July. All right, boom. So in the month of July, you can see I got close to about 10,000 views, so about 9,846 views. So what can you do to find out my true CPM? So what you want to do is you want to take 260. Man, I thought the calculator would have just showed up, but it didn't actually show up this time. Okay, give me just a second. All right, so here we go. So we're going to take the 260, I think it was like 50 cents or something like that, $260.05, and then we're going to divide that by the amount of views that I got, which was 9,846 views. And then we're going to divide that, and then we can see we got 0.02. Now to get the true CPM, which is per 1,000 views, we're going to times that by 1,000. All right, and then that's going to give us what my true CPM is. All right, so you can see my true CPM is $26.86. Okay, like I said, the average CPM on YouTube is $2 per 1,000 views. And this is based on the niche that I'm in. I talk about entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, make money online type stuff, business, like those niches, like that type of content will always make the most amount of money. Okay, tech channels, even beauty channels from time to time. But if you're trying to create like a gaming channel, this is not to, you know, push you away from doing that. But if you're trying to make money as far as the ads, it's not going to work the best. Now, as far as like if you know, maybe you want to make money some other type of way, I would recommend, you know, getting into like affiliate marketing, you know, things that you can actually promote products where you can actually end up earning more than you actually earn from the ads, right? Because I also do affiliate marketing and I earn quite a bit of income from affiliate marketing. I also enjoy, you know, making this AdSense income because, like I said, it's in a way it's passive income because I create content and I basically get paid to create content, which is truly a blessing. All right, so that is how much, you know, I make with my small 3,000 subscriber YouTube channel. I'm closing in on 4,000 subscribers, and I'm pretty excited about that. I'm actually thinking about doing a giveaway for my, you know, once I hit 4,000 subscribers. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do yet, but I think I might end up doing that. All right. So with that being said, hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.